everyone, I'm working on my plow today. Just kind of going everything with some PB Blaster. Got some penetrating PB Blaster. Just that's the best stuff I have ever used. Took the Cutler off here, and I'm just gonna clean everything up. I tried plowing some the other day. It did all right, but I'm pretty sure my old garden tractor engine blew up. I believe I completely lost compression on it, but it's been raining nonstop ever since. But I got that done there. So, oh, and I got some up here too. I think I'm gonna have to play with the depths a little bit more. There's look at them big rigs. Kid Jeeps. I'm gonna have to play with the depth setting a little bit. And I'm actually gonna scoot the garden down some, I think. Here's my 2 test strips I did right through the middle. I adjusted it some. I don't have a good flat surface. I mean, I'll give you a shot of the shed here, and you can see exactly how much crap I got. Well, I'm grateful for. Ooh, I about dropped you. Let's see. That is the shed. I mean, you can see it is. I mean, it's packed plumb full. Over here. Yeah, it's all packed up. I ain't got room for much else in here. But I'm gonna try the Husqvarna. What I'm doing today is trying to get all the adjusters. There's my little man. He's observing from the truck today. I don't think it's gonna focus, is it? Nope. Just trying to. I'm spraying everything down with PB Blaster right now, and then like right here where the Cutler. Let's see, where are we? The Cutler is right here. It goes right in here, and up here's your depth adjustment for the blade. But I'm just trying to spray. I'm just spraying down all my parts that have nuts and bolts that I'm going to be using. While I'm at it, here's my disc. This is my pile of lumber here for my odds and ends stuff. But I'm going to go on and I'm going to just spray down. Spray everything down for. We've had such a wet winter. Everything is so rusted up, and I did this with just about everything. I did this during the fall. Sprayed everything down. It's just I don't have a very good. What I'm doing now. Let's see if I can get y'all to see. There we go. Sorry about that. I'm just going to spray everything in here. These wheel bolts, because I don't really feel like paying $200 for a set of ag tires to go on my Husqvarna. And these are 12x7 tires on here. The pattern is, it's a 5 lug, but the pattern, I think it said online, handy dandy Google, is 12x7, and on my Husqvarna I do believe it said it was 12x7, so we're going to try that out. Set you up on the garden tractor here. Yeah, I think I lost compression on this. Like I said, I don't have I mean, y'all saw the shed. I don't have anywhere I can rebuild. I mean, I could. I guess I'm being picky. But you can't just go out and buy another engine and put on this thing. It's got a 16 horsepower Briggs & Stratton horizontal shaft engine. I'll show it to y'all real quick. It's old, but I mean it's a very good garden tractor. Old and dirty. Let's see. Old's good. But maybe I can do a video of doing a compression test on it and just simple diagnostic stuff to see if it is the rings. I mean, it might not be the rings. It could just be worn valve guides. I was going. Let's see here. See, I got some air from the breather over here, and this model has got 2 breathers, one on each side. Let's see, Lance, let's put it back on here right. Good day. Well, I looked for my compression tester and I can't find it. I did find my spark plug wrench. But let's see here. Uh-oh. I hear my little man is getting a little aggravated. Let's see, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? I'll pull this out real quick and do one-handed here. Let's see. My little helper's getting kinda short-tempered. Guys, I think that's going to be it for this little quick video. It looks like I've got another video planned now, though. I might try to do one of taking the tires off of this one. Oop, that dropped you again. Don't have a tripod or anything for my camera. Little man wants to get out and help at the shed. I've only been down here for about 10 or 15 minutes, so he's ready to probably go inside and play. Wish it wasn't so muddy so we could play outside, but I don't think that's an option today. Well, so let's see, we got a video that's going to be coming up of possibly taking the rim tires off of that garden tractor, putting them on this one right here. Sorry, I just keep on dropping y'all. I got my glove on that hand. So we will do that and maybe do a video on, where is it, right here? Adjusting that. I need to do a video on fire barrel. Got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff to burn. A lot of stuff right there. A lot of stuff. That is an empty trailer, neighbor's trailer next door. Nice barn. Really nice. But thanks for watching. Say thanks. Wave. Can you wave? Dude.